Hey everyone, since you have participated in the previous hands-on, I'll give you a quick recap of what we have done on the hands-on. So once you have your UiPath studio or the local studio open, click on a new process and start with a new process and ensure you have the mail activity installed. Click on manage packages. You'll have something go to all packages and search UiPath mail activities, which I had put in the chat during the hands-on. Search that particular thing. For now, I have it installed in my project dependencies. As you can see, mail activities. This should be installed. Click on, you'll get an install button here, install and save it. It will be added to your project. Once that is done, click on add and search for SMTP. Click on this, enter, you will get a new activity. So after this is the part where we have to connect your Gmail account. So click on this gear icon and add a new connection. It will redirect you to a authentication page where you have to connect your email address. So the server address will be smtp.gmail.com. The port number will be 587 and the email is your email. You have to enter your email here. And for the password part, this is a tricky part. Please do follow the steps. So first go to your Google account manage account. So that will be your go to any of the mail or any of it and click on manage accounts. Once you go into the manage accounts, you have to search something like app passwords. App password, app passwords. Click on it. It will sometimes tend you to give your passkey or sign in options. Please do that. Once that is done, you'll be entered into the screen. Do a new, create a new app, or if you have a create a new app and delete all the other old apps. So create a new app like create test one, create, you will get a password like this. It is a 16-digit code. So copy this password and now once you have that particular password, go to the authentication page. Uh, where is- go to your authentication page and paste the password and ensure it has only 16 digits and there are no spaces in between. While copying, if you have spaces, please remove and have the password only 16 digits with no spaces. Once that is done, click on secure connection. The secure connection will be start TLS and click on connect. As soon as you do connect, you will find it here in the connections tab. Like this, you will find it. So once this is done, the connection is done. So after the connection, we'll move on to another activity called get asset. Click on get asset First, before moving on to get asset, we'll just try to create one asset for this particular hands-on. Go to the assets tab beside the connection. Click create add asset. Create a new asset. So give the asset name something as email and enter your email ID here and click create. So once that is done, you will have something like this email IDs. So ensure you have this ready. So after this, click on get asset activity here and you will find this activity. In the folder path, ensure which folder you have created the asset and the connection. For my in my case, it is in my shared folder. So I'll click shared. So as soon as I open up, this drop down appears and click the asset which you created. So I am using email IDs. So once that is done, you will have to click on this, click on properties, and for the value, create a new variable. So creating a variable has a shortcut key called Control K. Do Control K. It will say type in the variable name and plus enter. So in my case, I have already created an variable. So the variable is email ID. So once that is done, we are ready to start using this send SMTP mail activity. So click for the to section. The to section is nothing but the email ID you want to send the email to. So that is email ID. So in the to part, have email ID. So this is already done, right? Email. It is the variable which you created just now. Click on it, enter. And for the subject and the body, you can type whatever you want. So I have created as UiPath email automation. And for the body, this is my first email automation. So once that is done, run the file or either debug the file. In my case, I'll do a debug. It has started the process. So once the email is, let's see what it does. The execution has ended and you would have got the email something like this. The email is not showing up, but the email has been sent. This is the same. The email has been sent. So this is the hands-on part of it. And this goes same for the studio web as well. So all the activities will be the same for the studio as well. So in the studio web also, please do the same activities which was there. For in this case, you don't need to require or install any packages since it is a cloud based automatically all is done. So that's it for the recap of the previous hands-on. Thank you.